guys, today we're here. This is my brother. My brother is here, guys. Nandun pa siya, guys. Ba? Balik na sa itong ayaw ba? Here's my sister. Guys, this is my sister, guys. Oh no. Guys. My brother's kuya, guys. Monica. This is my mom. My mom is here. And my father. He's right over there.
Kayo tara po siya tungkol sa isko at iwag ningay kikaduhan ng kaso.
Where's Daddy?
Where's Daddy? Natulugan eh. Papuliso na.
Mommy, say excuse Daddy because Daddy.
Naglabot na yung
Here's Daddy.
Nay, rendero na lugot. Tawagan na. Rendero got. Kanya po kayo yung magtuba.
We know. We still live here. And serve it. This is my friend. It's Duyan. And here to the Duyan. And so the Duyan is so small. I love it. This is trash. Duyan. This is we here in the rich house. So my mom is I get up the phone and I'm telling myself I'm talking and okay. Just 10 minutes later.
Kuhan sa yote. Bila ka sa yote, grabe na sa yote. Tanik ba? 200 sa isa ka problem. Nagdino na 200 sa inyo. Daton mo na ispatan.
Oh, good luck. My mom is here.
Karla, barato lang kayo. Kano lagi nga, nakay barkada po niya taga-kuhan. Nag-usa ka pre. Nagulayan ta pre. Kailangan ko bumbo pre ba?
I'm so sleep.
Karla, usuin mo palengke. Suki ba?
Bye.
Ito ba pumis plano?
Boy, yan dra dapat boy.